Welcome to my channel once again.
Dr. Asadi Srinivasulu.
Machine learning techniques for image classification.
Thank you, sir, coordinator, sir, Dr. Swami, sir, for inviting me for this one-day national level FDP faculty development program on machine learning techniques for image classification. See, nowadays, machine learning is a emerging and a very good buzzword in the industry in order to develop all automation applications. Especially in healthcare data analytics, we are using machine learning and deep learning and artificial intelligence techniques, especially for biomedical image health classification algorithms. And today I'm going to cover various topics in machine learning and three approaches like supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. And before going to my topic, if you have internet, you can check within 60 seconds what is happening. How many users are connected to this internet world? Can you imagine such a huge number of internet users connected to this world? If you see 6,94,444 hours watched in the Netflix, 3.8 million search queries, 1 million logins, Facebook, 18.1 million text sent, 4.5 million videos sent, videos viewed, 1.8 million emails sent. Likewise, if you click this URL, www.internetlivestats.com, so you will get the huge numbers. See here, internet users in this world. Can you read this number? Very huge number. If you have internet, you can type www.internetlivestats.com. So you will get total number of websites opened in this second, email sent today in this second, Google searches today, blog post written today, tweet sent today. These are the huge number of internet users are connected to this world. So where the data is coming from, how you are storing the huge volume of data in the servers, how many servers are required to store huge volume of data. These are the questions you may get doubt. To solve these sort of questions, we are going to use cloud computing technology. Cloud is an internet-based technology and use. The backbone of cloud computing is data center and virtualization. Data center is nothing but collection of high integrated computing servers at one place is called a data center. And the virtualization is the ability to perform multiple tasks in a single system is called virtualization. With the help of virtualization technologies like VMware, hypervisor, Zen, Virtualizer, we are creating the n number of virtual machines in a cloud environment. The best consumer of cloud computing is Gmail. If you open Gmail anytime, anywhere, 24/7, it is giving service. Why I am explaining? Because huge number of internet users are connected and the data is flowing between server to server, computer to server, network to network, data center to data center. That's why the backbone of this internet livestats platform is data center and the cloud computing. Traditional servers are not enough to store huge volume of data. That's why we are using cloud data centers. So if you see same thing I have incorporated in this slide itself, how many users are connected to this internet world, where the data is coming from, how many servers are required, how the data is represented in the servers or system or data center, etc. So now, see, actually, 1 week program we used to conduct on data science. There I'm covering the 8 subjects. First and foremost, the components of data science, introduction to data science, Python, or statistics, artificial intelligence, artificial neural networks, machine learning, virtual reality. So, machine learning that's why I'm using the each concept. My data science how I have applied these classification sessions. So before going to my system cannot understand capital E or capital Q because internally it converts into ASCII format. ASCII stands for American Standard Code for Information Interchange. Capital A ASCII value is 65. If you divide it by 2, you are getting binary equivalent number of 65 is 100001. So that means computer understands only ones and zeros. Now see the measuring the data, machine learning or computer science and information technology field. 1 bit is equal to 0 or 1, 4 bits is equal to 1 nibble, 8 bits is equal to 1 byte, 4 bytes is equal to 1 word, 4 words is equal to 1024 bytes, 1024 bytes is equal to 1 kilobyte, 1024 kilobyte is equal to 1 megabyte, 1024 megabyte is equal to 1 gigabyte, 1024 gigabyte is equal to 1 terabytes. After that, petabytes, exabytes, octabytes, zettabytes, yottabytes. Hi, I am Robo. My speed is 1 terabyte and my memory is 1 zettabyte. Before that Robo would be, we don't know the terminology frequently. After that Robo we came to know there is a terminology presented in the computer's world. So that is 1 zettabyte and 1 yottabyte. Thanks to Director Shankar sir and Rajni sir, they have introduced that terminology quite famous. So 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. Yesterday night again I have checked the terminology about the data. Yes, there are 2 more new terminologies presented. 1024 yottabyte is equal to 1 brontobyte. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. 1024 geobyte is equal to infinity. This geobyte is
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.
That the geo is ruined students' life and spoiled students' life. Students are addicted for a geo service. Initially they are giving free of cost, after that they are charged. So this geobyte is different. 1024 brontobyte is equal to 1 geobyte. 1024 geobyte is equal to infinity. And if you see same terminology in mathematical, 1 kilobyte is 10 power 3, 1 megabyte is 10 power 6, 1 gigabyte is 10 power 9, 1 terabyte is 10 power 12. See in big data range, petabyte is 10 power 15, exabyte is 10 power 18, zettabyte is 10 power 21, yottabyte is 10 power 24, brontobyte is 10 power 57, geobyte is 10 power 30. So this is the measuring the data in machine learning. And today I am going to explain